Kia ora, my name is Maia Fox. I am 18 years old. I'm born and bred in Gizzy. I'm half Māori and half Kukarana. The island side comes from my mother's side and the Māori side comes from my dad. We are Tūranga Ararau Farming Cadet Program. So we are in Green Lake Station, that is in Tiniroto. So I'm a first year student on this farm, on this program. Our main tutor is Martin Painga, he's from Whangaraa. And our administrator is Mitch Jones, she is from Manatuhi. On the farm, you pretty much staying with each other every day. In terms of that, you kind of build a close relationship with not only your tutors but also your teammates as well. You may work by yourself, but you have other workers there, so it's important to work as a team on this farm. Te Tairāwhiti has really come a long way in terms of farming. Well, back in the day, a lot of farms are owned and run by Pākehā. Now it's completely changed. You know, you see more Māoris managing Māori farms in the East Coast, and it gives us rangatahi a good reason why we should and push through and become managers ourselves. I mean, it's hard work, but you know, you gotta do the mahi to get the treat somehow. As you can see, it's foot trot. I've got to take that off. After I've finished from here, I'm hoping to further my education and go to Lincoln University. So I become a manager, so I can get that manager's job, or I go into the farming industry, to the actual work industry. But I'm hoping to become a shepherd, then earn my way up, start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. Head shepherd, then hopefully stock manager, and hopefully at the end manage my own farm and have my own farm. I love Te Tairāwhiti, and out of my generation I'm hoping that not just boys but also girls can actually see that farming is a good option as well in terms of in a career in life. Even though people may say, oh no, you should try a different route, you know, live somewhere else and find something new. Yeah, I can do that, but why can't I find it here? East Coast is paradise, as they always say, and they're true.